Elsewhere, the judiciary is tonight blaming President Uhuru Kenyatta for the increase in the backlog of cases. The Judges and Magistrates Association cites President Kenyatta's 4-month delay in appointing 11 Court of Appeal judges and 30 High Court judges for the snail-pace delivery of justice. But as Francis Gachuri reports, the president insists he is not bound by any timeframes and that some of the nominees have integrity issues.
The Judicial Service Commission, chaired by Chief Justice David Maraga in July this year, nominated 10 High Court judges and 1 legal scholar for appointment to the Appellate Chamber. A month later, JSC submitted to President Uhuru Kenyatta 10 nominees for appointment as Labor Relation Court judges and 20 to the Lands and Environment Division. But the president has not appointed the 41 judges 4 months later. The Judges and Magistrates Association is now blaming him for the delay in delivery of justice. There were 372,928 pending cases as at July this year, with at least 400,000 fresh cases being filed annually to be heard and determined by 644 judges and magistrates.
And despite their small numbers, judges and magistrates have been burning both ends of the canton to reduce case backlog. They can only do so much with this limited number.
JSC cleared High Court judges Joel Ngugi, Mumbi Ngugi, George Odunga, Jesse Lesit, Agri Muchelule, Msaga Mbogoli, Weldon Korir, Pauline Nyamwea, Helen Omondi and Francis Tuyot for Court of Appeal posts. Legal scholar Dr. Kibaya Laibuta was also nominated. The president has waved away criticism over delay in appointment of the 41 nominees, insisting he has the exclusive authority to appoint judges.
And this is an affront to the Constitution and the rule of law, and waters down the institutional independence of the judiciary. It takes us back to the old order, which Kenyans assertively put behind them.
But Head of Public Service Joseph Kinyua, in his response to a petition filed by Adrian Kamodho, held that Kenyatta is not bound by timeframes within which he has to appoint judges. The case backlog notwithstanding, the president insists some of the nominees had integrity issues that were being probed, arguing that appointing the judges would be violating the principles of good governance. But while the president cites integrity questions on some of the nominees, pundits question why the president has not petitioned their removal from the High Court.
Wanjiku cannot celebrate when his or her case cannot be heard and determined in the shortest time possible.
The Court of Appeal has been worst hit by the delay, the Malindi and Nyeri stations forced to shut down. The court, which ought to have a maximum of 30 judges, now technically has 13, following the retirement of judges Erastus Gedenji, Al-Nashir Visram and Philip Waki. Justices William Ouko, Mohamed Warsame and Kathurima Mtoinoti are assigned administrative duties. Francis Gachuri, Citizen TV.